Sakshi Lodha, a product photographer, and today I'll be showing you how to design Happy New Year cards and templates with Adobe Express. Whether you're an influencer or a small business owner, this tool makes it quick and easy to create festive designs. First, go to Adobe Express and start a new project. Search for Happy New Year templates. Adobe Express has a huge library where you can customize cards, posters, and social media graphics. If you own a small business like a bakery, you can pick a New Year greeting card template and quickly customize it with your brand colors and a discount message. This way, you can share holiday greetings while promoting your seasonal offers. Add your brand name, logo, or even your bakery shop photos. Play with fonts and colors to match your style. And if you are an influencer, you can design a personalized Happy New Year card with your name or signature style. You can share it on Instagram, stories, or post to engage your followers during the festive season. Make it festive by adding icons, fireworks, or AI generated visuals. This step really makes your New Year design stand out. Once your design is ready, download it or share it directly on social media. Adobe Express makes it simple to get festive designs out quickly. And that's how easy it is to create Happy New Year designs and templates with Adobe Express. Try Adobe Express now. Link is in the description. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.